Depending on who you're working with and how much time you have, recording a solid interview can sometimes be like pulling teeth. I mean, yeah, you sent the person the questions ahead of time, and yeah, they should have remembered what they thought they were going to say, but not everybody remembers. And yeah, you thought you brought all the supplies, but somehow you left the lighting back at the studio. Things happen. But here's some steps of how you can keep it all together in a timely manner. 18th Mr. Elizabeth City State University, polished and professional in public. But for anybody who truly knows Lennox like I do, he's a total goof. And recording his video for the coronation took...
Can't remember my first song. All right. Can I keep going?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, my name is Lennox Pointer, a senior aviation science major from Silver Spring, Maryland, and I am the 19th Mr. Elizabeth City State University.
Forever. Okay, so I'm comparing two totally different videos, but they were recorded in the exact same space with the exact same camera. The only difference is the lighting and the camera angles I chose. As you can see in the first video, we recorded late in the afternoon where the sun was going down with no light. Lennox was getting jittery, so you couldn't hear anything he said. The camera was really far away, and I zoomed in entirely too close. This wasn't a good angle for my interview. So it wasn't until I returned here to the Bat Lab that I actually noticed that I forgot the lighting in the video and I couldn't turn up the brightness on the screen. So I ended up rescheduling the meeting with Lennox, and this time I took a different approach. I tried moving the camera closer and setting the lighting right off to the side so we could see him and that the camera could better pick up his sound. We still took a little minute because Lennox played too much, but here's the final cut.
Dear fellow Vikings, if you're watching this today, it is October 21st, 2018, the start of Elizabeth City State University's 2018 homecoming, and this is the royal coronation for myself and Madeline Bond.